they ordered a new dryer. There it is right there. And Home Depot or Best Buy or whatever wouldn't install it because it's too old. That's not good, man. I don't know how I'm gonna get a backup wrench on there. Because that nipple's barely coming out of the wall. Alright, see what I can do. Alright, so we got an old gas flex I've had in the truck forever. Got a ball valve, and then a iron pipe by Flair, 1/2 inch. So let's see if I can get a wrench on there, man. I guess they turned the gas off. I don't know. But, yeah. But the good thing is this this pipe had quite a bit of play on it. That I could pull it out a little bit and get a wrench on there. So, all right, let's keep going. There you go. I'm waiting for all the absurd comments about putting pipe dope on flared fittings. This pipe dope's about done, bro. About done. All right, that's it.